Hello, Jherome Stan. Welcome again to my channel. And today I'm going to teach you how to grab a video on Facebook, because I know a lot of you have tried already downloading videos from Facebook, but are unable to because you are restricted, and Facebook doesn't allow that feature. So when I was trying to grab some videos for my affiliate marketing, because they are already there, a lot of videos are already there, and I'm just going to try and copy their products and repost it as my own with using my own affiliate product. But let's not focus on affiliate marketing today, but we're only going to focus on how to grab those videos for your own use. So what I did is I went to Google search and search for free video downloader for Facebook, and I found this tool. So it's called fdown.net. So what you're going to do is go back to the video, open that video, and copy this link, this URL from Facebook, and paste it over on this text box. And when you're done pasting it, just tap on download. And when you click on download, you will be prompted with a lot of options. Okay, and you can readily download it using this button in normal quality or this button in high quality. So I prefer using high quality videos so that I will have high quality videos when I repost them. So just click on that, and it's already downloading. And if you check this out, check the video out, you already have it here. So I tried to download one a while ago because I just redid this video because I have a poor audio quality a while ago. So I hope that issue is fixed right now. So once again, I hope you learned something and you'll be able to download videos in the future. And before you go and move on to the next video and whatever you're doing, please like this video, share this video to your friends, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you, and see you in the next video.